What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I was expecting the delivery by UPS of the Sawtooth rims for the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and put those Sawtooth rims on these same tires. Let's see what the tires are. Kumho Road Ventures AT. I do a lot of highway driving, and I just don't want any mud terrains on there for the time being. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Sawtooth rims on these, armor all them up, make them nice and shiny. The rims are the all black ones with black nuts and black security nuts. Everything's going to match really nice. But what I am going to do with these rims here, the regular rims for the Defenders, then I'm going to put them on these tires. The ever rare, super difficult to find Michelin XZL 8.25 by 16. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on those rims and just have them off to the side. I actually don't know that they'll fit the car. I measured out, and these are like 31.7 in diameter when they're new, and these are actually in really good shape. But these are 33 and like a quarter is what I measured out. I'm sure when they're widened out to a 7-inch rim, which is what those are there, they might be a little smaller, maybe 33, maybe 32 and 3/4, not sure. But that's what I'm going to do today while I'm waiting for UPS. I'm going to go ahead and put on the little stick-on metal tab there, so I can put the higher end rear view mirror that has the compass and the outside temperature. I'll fab some type of nice cover out of aluminum, shine it all up, something that I can put on there and have it be a nice cover. Maybe take those screws off and use that as a template. Other than that, I'll have the rear view mirror a little higher up, which will help me see more of the road, especially since I'm planning to put a tire on the hood. So I have to find a tire of the same diameter as these regular road tires that I have on now. And the rim that I have, I got it from Surfside 4x4. I had an extra one. There it is. That is one of those NRC 7578. Came on a 95 Defender that was imported. So I just got to find the right size tire for that. I want it as narrow as possible because I only want to use it as a spare if needed, but have it look pretty cool on the hood. The hood is an MOD hood, so the strength is already there, has all the framing underneath. And well, that's about it. What else has been done to the car? Well, over here I went ahead and completely finished all the Dynamatic stream throughout the entire vehicle. It's all there, up all the way to there. I still have quite the leak. When it rains really hard, I have quite the leak coming in through the clutch, through the framing up here, like right through here. And so I gotta figure out what that is. Maybe there's a seal that this is missing or something like that. I'll find out. Got everything needed for an oil change and gearbox and transfer case. Actually, the oil for the gearbox, the red line, should be arriving today. In the back, I did a lot of Dynamatic stream around the back, around the sides. I didn't do too much around the sides because I am planning to change those. I'm gonna be getting white takeoff sides from a mid-90s Defender that doesn't have this little strip on here, so that since it doesn't have the strip, I'll be able to put the Masai sides and just get it to look a little nicer, a little newer, I guess, especially since the Defender 90 was just announced. It's gonna look pretty cool. Over here in the front, I did the Adventure grill from Rover's North. That came out great. Have a lot more space in there. Eventually, I'm going to have the Ali Sport full-size radiator, full-size intercooler. I'm going to get a larger condenser for the AC unit and try to get that dryer to be on the frame, just like it is on normal 300 TDI. Now, I got to find out if this is the 3mm thick one. Not sure if it is or not, because that's the one that has the actual rigidity and the strength to it. If this is not that thick one, I'll replace these at the same time that I get the front fenders painted, because the doors that I have are white. The sides will be white. The rear door is white. So all I'll have to paint is the bottom quarter panel here, the insides of the door. Oh, it's locked. And the fenders, front piece, the bulkhead area. So just, that's what's up. That's what's new. Next video, the Sawtooth rims will be on, and we'll be looking pretty sweet. All right, be well. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you see all the new videos that are posted. I won't waste your time with any videos that are not educational or showing stuff that have to do with either Defenders or Mini Countrymen or Roadster hot rods. And you can look back through the channel to find some of those other videos that I've done. Okay, well, thanks a lot, and hope this helps someone. Be well.